my class in charge and my dear friends. Great morning to all of you. Very great morning, Megha. Myself Megha, I study in 8th standard. Today I am here for mastering the concept. So listen me carefully. Today we will read direct and indirect speech. Firstly, we will know about what do you mean by speech. Speech means a formal talk, meaning two persons are talking with normally. So that is called a formal talk. Okay, there are two types of speech, direct and indirect speech. Direct means when the spoken words of a speaker are presented in the same way. So it is called direct speech. For example, she said, comma, inverted comma, begin, I am very happy. So it is a direct speech. Now indirect speech. When the spoken words are presented by you in your own way, that is called indirect speech. For example, she said that she was very happy. So the speaker said these words in his own way. So you should have a question that why we use comma and inverted comma here. For that you should know about the punctuation. Punctuations. The marks that are used to restrict a sentence in a correct order, that is called punctuation. There are many types of punctuation like full stop, comma, inverted comma, mark of interrogation and so on. So we will discuss it later. Now let's come to our topic. Comma and inverted comma we have read up in this punctuation. So now I will tell you how I change the direct sentence into indirect sentence. For that we should know about the rules of direct and indirect. So let us discuss them. Firstly, say will no change. Says no change. Say to will change into tell, and says to will change into tells. Sad no change, and sad to change into told. If you find these words in the sentence, then you will change according to these rules. Okay? Now we will read about the tenses. I know very well that you have known about the tenses. There are three types of tenses: present, past and future. Now we will read how we change them in indirect speech. Firstly, simple present change into simple past, meaning first form of the verb will change into second form of the verb. Now, present continuous change into past continuous. meaning is MR plus verb first form plus ing change into was, were plus verb first form plus ing. Okay student, simple present will change into simple past, meaning first form of the verb will change into verb second form. Present continuous will change into past continuous, meaning is MR plus verb first form plus ing will change into was, were plus first form plus ing. Now present perfect. Present perfect will change into past perfect. In present perfect, we will use has, have plus verb third form. It will change into past perfect, meaning had plus verb third form. Okay? Present perfect change into past perfect and has, have plus verb third form change into had plus third form. Now, present perfect continuous change into past perfect continuous. Past perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous has, have plus been plus verb first form plus ing change into had plus been plus verb first form plus ing. So, present perfect change into past perfect and present perfect continuous change into past perfect. Okay students? Now, how we change adverb of time? Listen me carefully. Adverb of time like now, ago, today. Okay. So these will change into, now will change into then, ago change into before, and today will change into that day. So if you find these words in a sentence, you will change according to these. Okay? Now we will read about the. Thank you. Have a nice day.